Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to make a group game in Roblox. So first up here, open up your search box at the bottom and search for Roblox Studio. And open up this Roblox Studio app. Now once you log in, all you need to do is click on My Games right here at the top left. And then go here on the group games right here at the top. And then click on Create New Game. So from here, we're going to choose a game. For example, this one racing game here. And then once you click this game, then just have to wait for a few seconds. Now, once you have just created and finished, click on the file at the top left and select Save to Roblox As. And then right from here, you just have to select your game. So instead of choosing My Games, here you just need to choose your group name. Now here you just need to name your group. For example, this one here is Group Game Roblox. You can type in the description and make sure the creator is selected on me. And then from here, make sure to select all. And then once done, click on the Save button right here at the bottom right hand corner. Now finally here, as you can see, it will now begin uploading to Roblox server. So click on Close button. And then you just have to close this game here. So in this case, we're going to click on Cancel. And then click on No. And then here on your Roblox homepage, all you do is click on the Create button right there at the top. And then here, you just have to select the icon or logo right here at the top left, which is the Creator Hub. And basically, it will show up an option to choose your group name for your group. So here, basically, click on the Creator Hub, and here on View As, you just need to select your group. So if you don't have the group yet, just need to create right here, select your logo, and then basically just have to complete by entering the description. And once done, you can just create your own group in Roblox. You just have to purchase 100 Robux. But if you have the group already, you just need to go right here and see your group game in Roblox. So just follow all the instructions here by going to Roblox Studio and by going here on Creator Hub. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.